Hey guys, Chance 100 here. Today I got a huge, crap load of Beyblade. Well, not really crap load, but some. First up we got Jade Jupiter, Shield 130 Rubber Ball. Then we got Kreis Cygnus, what's his face? 145 wide defense. And then we got, what's his face? There we go. Sagittario 230 wide defense. So, okay, so we're gonna open Sagittario first since he's my least favorite. Go over the box a little. He doesn't have the drives. He's BB 126. I already said his name. Comes with light launcher 2, picture, Kenta, 4D crap, WD and like his modes crap. Back stats. He has attack and stamina mode. Anyways, he has 4 attack altogether, 7 defense altogether, and 10 stamina. So not bad, not bad. I heard he's not that good though. So is it true? Probably. Sorry it's not on camera. I have trouble with it on camera a lot. Sorry, my thumb's like really crappy right now. So, yeah. I'll show the combos and stuff. And he actually can have any combo from 4D since he's the last 4D bay. Okay, so I opened up both the sides now. His regular combo is, let me see that. Flash Nemesis XD. Secret combo is Flash Sagittario Shield 130 Metal Ball. His other secret combo is Flash Sagittario 130 or Shield 130 Rubber Ball. Perfect. I actually just got a Rubber Ball today, just from Jade Jupiter, and I haven't even opened that, so that's actually perfect. Okay, so here we go. This came right out at me. The record. Yeah, I'm from see if it was right. Oh, that looks really boss. Wow. Okay. Instructions, tool, and those look boss. So WD and 230. Light launcher 2 and Flash Sagittario. That looks really cool. Okay. Okay. Sorry. I fail at opening stuff. By the way. Okay. Black ripcord. You're probably gonna hate me for that because retards think that's really racist for some odd reason, which that will never be explained to me why that is racist. So black launcher. Okay. Okay. There. All together. Anyways, so then oh, whoops, I dropped everything. Okay, that's fine. So then we have, god dang it, go. There we go. I might have to change my awesome scissors of awesomeness soon because they're written too small. But anyway, instructions. No one cares about really. Ooh, stickers. I'll keep that out for the face sticker for right now, and then the tool. No one cares about that much either. Okay, now let's take out the bottom portion of, oh, it's falling right out at me. That works, that works. Okay, so, oh, that looks like, it's like a really pale yellowish greenish color. It's really clear too. WD. And it's the same color with the 230. I don't need to go explain that again. For some reason it looks a little thicker. It might just be because it's clear. I don't know. Or it's just me. One of those two. Okay, so sorry that I don't have things on camera that much. Like there's not camera all the time, so sorry. Once I get a better kind of like a real camera, then I think that'll look better. Okay, the flash wheel. Here's the core of it. It looks really cool. I like the detail on it. And same with this part of the flash wheel. Very nice. It's really ovalish though. Here, so this is supposed to be stamina mode right here. Oh, this is stamina mode. It's not as good, I heard. Attack mode, I actually heard, has more stamina. So we'll switch over to that. And it's really oval. So, yeah. It's almost completely oval. And we have this really cool colored Sagittario. Yellow orange. Yeah. My cat's in the way, sorry. About that. And then we have this cool little cross kind of thing on the face. Here, let me put on a sticker so you guys get a better view. I knew my cat was gonna find a way in. I block off everything but the way down from the bed. Well, there's no way in except for that. You would, Odie, you would. Okay. Sticker. My cat's gonna help us reveal it, I guess. Apparently. She'll get bored in a minute here. She'll have to go eat. Haha. Yeah, she always eats, by the way, so. She'll do that in a minute, probably. Okay, now I'll do spin tests at the end of the video, by the way. So then we got that. It's really wide, like one way. So there's Sagittario. He's actually not that bad in weight. And I'm actually doing not bad on time, anyways. Usually I'm running super late all the time. So not too bad, not too bad. Okay, so it's only been a little over 7 minutes. What is that? Oh, huge giant truck. Okay. Now, oh yeah, I'm gonna show the box a little more. So Kreis, Cygnus, all that crap. Cygnus again. 45 WG. BB124. It's not one of the special bottoms. 40 system crap. No one cares about. Showing off the WD and the old 90-degree rotating. Modes. Combo. Then the stats, I'll say. Altogether, he has 2 attack. Oh, wow. I think he's a defense type because he has 11, or not 11, 14 defense and 5 stamina. Wait, is he a defense type? I don't even think. Oh, yeah, he is. I'm about to say. If he's not a defense type, I swear. They screwed up. But he is a defense. So, now if you hear, talking, that's from downstairs, because people can't stay quiet. I will be right back. Look at this box really quick. I'm gonna go close that door. Okay, hopefully that blocks out the talking from downstairs. And that took forever though, so sorry. Oh yeah, the combos are Kreis, Nemesis, 85 Metal Ball, Kreis, Cygnus, Final Drive, and then Kreis, Orion, Barrier Drives. So those are the secret ones and the recommended combo. Okay, so, 1 second. There we go. Okay, so, ripcord. Then we have, stickers. Those look really cool, actually. Tool instructions. Then we have the clear purple stuff. It almost looks like black, but I heard it was supposed to be purple, so it probably is. Then we have Kreis Cygnus launcher and him himself. So we always start off with the ripcord because no one cares about it. Get the first thing. First thing we do is get out the ripcord, then the launcher, then the instructions, tool, and stickers, then the bottom parts, then the actual bit. And that's how we roll. Black ripcord. I don't know how Elliot came up with that method, but however he did, opening, twisting it, that's a great idea. Okay. Black launcher. Don't really show it that long, just kind of put it in there for a couple frames. Full launcher, no one cares. Throw it over there. Not throw, but toss. Not even toss, just kind of drop a little. I don't throw stuff. Okay, so instructions. Oh, it's stickers. That's nice. Nice. Okay. Let's open this. Okay, I have a little certain. Okay, it almost looks like black, but when you hold it up to the light, you can tell it's actually purplish. It's not as purple as I thought. Oh, I'm thinking of Omega Dragonis, but it's still kind of purple. It's like almost a bluish purple. Let me show it really quick. That's 145. On camera, it looks more purplish than it is in real life, so don't get excited. Well, you might not be excited. It's like a blackish, bluish purple. So, there you go. It's either that, it's different color I thought it was, or I'm just going colorblind. I think it's just different color than I thought it was. Let's hope. What? I could have sworn I already cut this thing. I keep cutting it, but it won't come off. The wrapping will not come off. There we go. So now. Oh, wow. Lots of stuff. So here's the core of Kreis. Really nice. It's small though. And here is the Kreis frame. And this has more to do. It looks really cool. Side view that he has this sticking up crap. Then there's this stuff on the other side. Really nice designs, and it goes like that, so it kind of sticks out more. Let me try to get it in the mode really quick. Let me see where I can get into a mode. No. Not too sure. Oh, actually it's just goes on somehow? Oh, here we go. So this is apparently the mode that stays still. I think it's defense mode. And then attack mode is better. I know that, so. It slides off when the sign. That you can slide it, but it comes off when it's not like that. So I'll show you that in a minute. Cygnus, it looks like it's a really nice color actually. I just like that color. It's almost like the color of my background cardboards pretty much. And then we got the face. It has that little cross on it, and it's black. Clear black though. That's cool. Let me put on a sticker for that. Yeah, my cat got bored, so she's not there anymore. In the way of the camera, so. No, don't go right there. No, it's even worse. Okay, that's pretty good for me. Cygnus. Dang. It can focus a little. I found that out. Focuses a little. It looks nice though. Now let me just put Cygnus together. Oh, by the way, on the packaging, I didn't point this out, but I'm not gonna re-show it though. But I showed you the character. I didn't say the name. It's actually, I think, Cygnus or Cygnus. I don't know how to pronounce it. If you put a pronunciation in the comments, that would be great. Dang. How do the people downstairs still talk loud enough so I could hear it perfectly? It's insane. Okay, so. Okay. This is actually a really cool gimmick. I like it. So here's Kreis Cygnus, 145, WD. And now I can actually show you his gimmick. So the metal spins 90 degrees. I actually thought that was really awesome. So, okay. I know I'm not going over the base as much, but I'll go over more at the end. Like I'll do a spin test. So, yeah. Okay. He does not okay. Oh, I already cut this. I forgot to show all crap. Sorry. This is actually a Takatomi Sonocon one. Jade Jupiter. Comes with a light launcher too. His owner is actually unanimous, but does not show it. Not have like the cool bottom. I don't care though. 4D system crap. Shows him killing the find rubber ball. It shows his modes, and all of his stats are for attack. He has 2. Oh my god, I know he's a defense type because he has a ton of defense. He has 15. Then he has 4 stamina. His recommended combo is Jade Leon, triple height 170 wide defense. He does not have secret combos, I am pretty sure. They always have it on both sides if they have it. So. Okay, come on. Dang, this box is like not gonna open for me. Is it? What? Oh, yeah, stone hunks have tape, don't they? Or more tape. Tackers. Whoopsies. At least I didn't rip the box though. They have like the whole thing like just taped down. So yeah, so there is no thing. So oh well. So oh my god, we got Jade Jupiter. No, I'm joking. Obviously. Cool little ripcord. Not really that cool at all. Yeah, no one cares about the ripcord. Also, if you don't have a launcher. Oh, I don't know if I mentioned this, but he has BB-16. I think I might have mentioned it. But, yeah, I don't know. The instructions, actually, I don't know if Takatomi has color, but this one I know has color on it. Tool. And it actually has stickers. And then here are the Shield Rubber Ball. Hasbro, you didn't include those. What's wrong with you people? Launcher, and then the Jade Jupiter. It's actually purple. Oh my god. So, I love purple. Awesome. I knew this was coming, Jay. But, people thought it wasn't, so. But, of course, I know. Well, it's because it's my package, and I know how the seller usually gets it, so, yeah. Black ripcord. Let me get out the black launcher real quick. Sorry, this is taking, like, actually, this is quicker than usual, but I still have a while. Not a while, but the spin tests. But I'm not going to do a full spin test. I'm going to show it how it works at first, and I'm going to weaken it a little more to show you. Okay, full launcher. Okay, so. Okay. Sorry, I don't go. If you want me, I don't think you guys want me to go into detail with the launchers, so that's why I don't. If you want to know, tool. Yeah, this actually has color on it. The instructions. And Jupiter. Oh yeah, by the way, this is one of two base that has a printed face. That being Jade, Jupiter, and Beat Links. I forgot for a second. Sorry. It's almost like it's black, but it has like a little bit of a green tint to it for the track and bottom. Shield 130. Cool, cool. And finally, I have this on hand. A rubber ball, finally. Awesome, awesome. So, sorry, I was just looking at it real quick. It looks cool. Okay. So, anyways, let's put that outside. Oh yeah, the good Jade Jupiter. I have a Hasbro one, but it sucks balls. So, here's the core of Jade wheel. It looks really cool. I don't know. I just like the little sticking up things. And then Jupiter, I mean not Jupiter, the other part of the Jade wheel, it has like this like Big Bang Pegasus, like the color of his PC frames on there now. Metal balls, oh yeah, awesome. And here's the top. You could see the metal balls in there. So, that's awesome. And the modes are, what are the modes? This is the mode where the metal balls stay in place. And the other mode is the one where they all move freely. So yeah, Jupiter, it's actually purple. Purple, not crappy blue. Some of you might have liked that though. I did, personally. I mean, it was cool, but not that cool. Okay, it's like a pearly, weird colored face. Like a pearl blackish kind of color. The white Jupiter. Or like, well, the Jupiter, like, printing for the face is white. Okay, let's put this guy together. So I'm pretty sure all you want to see him. And his boss. Okay, so. Oh yeah. Jade Jupiter. Shield 130 rubber ball. Oh yeah. Okay, so those are all of them. Now let's do the spin test. Gonna turn it a little. Oh, there it was. Okay. Okay. So now it's. Where's the launcher? There it is. So do the spin test. Oops. Oh god. Okay. Where's my wheel? Dang. Okay. So. Let me grab the flash really quick. I guess I want one when you said tackle. That was kind of not that good of a launch, though. By the way. But they weren't one when you said tackle, were they? So how he falls is like this. I know, I forgot to put his tip on. Whoops. Hang on. Okay, I'll have to find that in a minute, because I have no clue where that went. I have to find that, though. That ain't good. Yeah, I don't know. So, well, so, yeah. Oh, let me see something. My cat is being annoying as crap right now. She keeps chewing on stuff. Where's that WD? Oh. Kreis. Freaking them. So, yeah. Okay, so now Jade Jupiter. Fail. I kind of got him a weaker launch though. But anyway. So that's how he spins. You'll see him in battles, then you get to see his real power. So, yeah. I'm not doing much of a spin test, I'm kind of just showing you how they start off and how they fall. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to find that WD now, because that went flying somewhere probably. Anyway, so comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching, and bye.